Welcome to the Weather Centre, everyone. Tropical air is currently in circulation over the eastern parts of the country, and whenever that takes place, it means that there'll be wet weather. And that's exactly what we have for much of this week over Limpopo and Mpumalanga, while over the western half of the country, it's going to be a mostly sunny and dry week over that area. Here's a quick check of our satellite imagery over the last couple of hours, and we can see that this pattern is firmly in place as sunshine has started off Monday over the western parts of the country, while in the east it's been fairly cloudy with a few showers in Gauteng as well as parts of Limpopo. And if we take a closer look at what's been happening along the eastern coastline as well as into parts of the Lowveld, we can see that there have been thunderstorms over these areas. They've produced heavy rainfall already earlier today, especially along the north coast of KZN, so it's already been very wet across that region. For the remainder of today, tropical moisture staying in place, meaning more showers and thunderstorms up in the northern and far eastern parts of the country, and our synoptic analysis also picking up some significant rain around parts of the Drakensberg as thunderstorms will be developing over that area, and a few patchy thunder showers as well in the northwest and into some areas over the Free State. That's also indicated on our rainfall map for the remainder of today. Isolated storms for Mahikeng as well as around the Bloemfontein area, similar into parts of the Eastern Cape. But there we see scattered thunder showers for the Drakensberg, northern KZN, all the way through to Limpopo, and widespread showers likely into parts of the Lowveld and the adjacent escarpment. In terms of winds for your Monday afternoon, we see moderate wind speeds along the east coast of the country, and there'll also be moderate winds around De Aard at about 25 kilometers per hour. Quick check of your maximum temperatures, shades of orange and red indicating warm to hot conditions for most of South Africa, into the 30s over the central interior, including Kimberley and Uppington, while along the eastern coastline, temperatures will be mostly in the upper 20s, into the 30s for the Lowveld, and for those areas, very high humidity for today and therefore quite uncomfortable. Moving ahead to tomorrow, we see light rain possible for some areas along the Garden Route and Eastern Cape coastlines, and that also continues up the east coast into the interior. Showers and thunderstorms possible, and very wet weather persisting up in the northern interior of the country. A couple of thunderstorms returning to the Northern Cape, and it remains wet for George with a high of 21.